Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and now we've got environments and massive bundles coming out of our ears here, but there's loads of stuff that's now appeared on Humble Bundle from Leartes Studio and other things. I'll go through everything today, but I've also broken down all these bundles into the price, so you know exactly what you're going to get, how much you pay for each asset, and then you can make the informed decision on whether you want this for yourself. I'll put all the links down below, all the links to the bundles and everything else you can find on Humble Bundle which is relevant to you, because once they're gone, they're gone. And do be sure to throw a like on this video and make sure you're subscribed because it helps me out massively. So I'll start off by saying, remember there's only a few days left of Cinti's Game Dev Assets Bundle, which is 18 different packs that they've got on the store, and I've got a full video about that which I'll link down below. I'm going to show you some assets on Unity's $20 sale in the theme of environments, just because I thought it might be worth you picking up some here. So I've just filtered by 3D and there's a big selection on screen, but one of the ones which is quite new is the Pure Nature 2 Oasis Desert. Now I've got a lot of assets from this developer and they're really nice quality, especially if you want something stylized. If you're looking for something more realistic, I do recommend the big environmental pack, because this has hundreds of different assets for terrains with LODs across trees, bushes, plants, underbrushes, terrain textures, and so much more. If you want something, again, more realistic in terms of a house, the high quality retro farmhouse, which is completely modular, and from the same developer, it's been around a long time, is the high quality residential house, which you've probably seen in a lot of games. It's a pretty good asset for $20. Ultra realistic sci-fi facility package, which has loads of incredible looking assets to populate an environment, whether you need a spaceship or otherwise. And one that I've just seen on the asset store is the Miami Beach. If you want to recreate GTA Vice City, this might be absolutely perfect for you. There is also a few other Humble Bundles at the moment, which is Become a 3D Artist, with loads of different characters, environments, and other tutorials in there. There's a few sound packs, and I will leave all the links below, so you know about everything that's there. In the main content of this video, there's 3 bundles which are available. There's the legendary Humble Bundle environment, which has just come out, which is 15 different environments from Leartes Studio at around $35, which makes these $2.30 each. There is the Hypernova Bundle, and there's 10 assets with a code for 80% off, which makes it $20. These assets are $2 each. And then there's another one called the Supernova Bundle, which is 19 environments with an 80% off code, making them $40. So these are around $2.10 each. And none of the assets in these bundles cross over because I've got full lists on screen, so I know that you're not losing out on anything. So first of all, here is the legendary game dev environments. It does say 51 because there's environments across Unreal Engine as well as Unity. As I said, there's 15 in this bundle. So in this bundle, you can see that there's the 1950s New York environment. There's the Fantasy Castle. There's the stylized Paradise Gardens, which is a new one that I've not seen them feature before. There's the 1970s New York City Alley, the Future Slums. The Italian Alleyway, which is new to this one as well. Bandit Village, which is also new. The Dwarven Dungeons, the stylized Lost Cave, the stylized Solarpunk City, the stylized Azure Hillside, which I think is another new one. We've got the stylized Cyberpunk City, the Roman Street environment, the stylized Viking Hut, and the stylized Fantasy environment, and various other ones for Unreal Engine which you could convert over if you wanted to use them as well. In the Hypernova bundle, you could see that there's the Rally Point environment, the Cyberpunk Park City, the futuristic rooftops, the stylized Modern City, Blue Metro 2029, which is in a post-apocalyptic style, the Rooftop Market, the Subway Station, the Floating Slums, the Modern Office, and Japanese Holograms. And in the Supernova bundle, there's the Container Port, which I haven't seen before, the Grand Egyptian Temple, which I haven't seen before, Will's Room, the Great Tree, the Western Town, which is another new one, Witch's Village, the French Quarter, which again is a new one, Coffee Shop, which may well be new for this package, the Garage Warehouse, Fighter Stage, the Aftermath environment, Asian Canals, Roman Swimming Pools, Feudal Japan, US Capital Exterior, the stylized house interior, stylized fantasy provocal, ancient ruins, boxing club, and there's a few other tutorials and other things included in the bundle as well. And one that's also appeared on Humble Bundle, if you're looking for PVR assets across various different things, there's 52 assets in this bundle ranging from bricks, pipes, stonework, random materials, fences, and other real high quality props. I do personally think that this one is a little bit high on the price for the individual models, But if you're looking for some like this across this platform, there's 52 items, which is around £31 or around $38. But it does come with a full office environment if you're looking for something like this. I'll make a web page on my website to put this table so you can quickly have a look if you want to get hold of it, so you know all the details in here. But all the links will be down below, so thanks for checking it out and let me know if you get hold of anything. Do be sure to check out my Patreon too to get over 225 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Big thank you to Peter Steiner, Very Shooter and Party of 10 for their amazing support, and thank you to everybody else who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.